Subscribe to Praveen Bosle YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest video updates. Hello students, let today study about the life cycle of malaria. Malaria is a mosquito-borne infectious disease of human caused by the protist Plasmodium. 4 species of Plasmodium can infect and be transmitted by human. Severe disease is largely caused by Plasmodium falciparum. Malaria is also caused by Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, and Plasmodium malariae. The life cycle of the malarial parasite Plasmodium is complicated and involves two hosts, humans and female Anopheles mosquito. The disease is transmitted to human when an infected Anopheles mosquito bites a person and injects the malaria parasite sporozoite into the blood. Mosquito first ingest the malarial parasite while feeding on an infected human. Once ingested, the gametocyte get differentiated into male or female gamete and fuse in the mosquito gut. This produces an ookinete that penetrates the gut lining and produces an oocyte in the gut wall. When the oocyte rupture, it releases sporozoite that migrate to the salivary gland. The sporozoite are injected into the skin when the mosquito bites a normal person. Only female mosquito feed on blood, while male mosquito feed on plant sap. Thus, males do not spread the disease. The life cycle of malarial parasite in the human body. Malaria develops via two phases, an pre-erythrocytic and an erythrocytic phase. The pre-erythrocytic phase involves infection of the liver. The erythrocytic phase involves infection of the erythrocyte, that is red blood cell. When mosquito bites a person, sporozoite enters the blood stream and migrate to the liver. They infect liver cells, that is hepatocyte, where they multiply into merozoite. They ruptures the liver cell and escape into the blood stream. Then merozoite infect red blood cell where they develop into ring form tropozoite and then schizoont, which in turn produce further merozoite. Within the erythrocyte, the parasite multiply asexually, periodically breaking out of their host to invade fresh red blood cells. Several such amplification cycles occurs. Thus, classical description of waves of fever arise from simultaneous waves of merozoite escaping and infecting red blood cells. Sign and symptom includes fever, shivering, arthralgia, that is joint pain, vomiting, anemia caused by hemolysis, hemoglobinuria, retinal damage, and convulsions. The classic symptom of malaria is cyclical occurrence of sudden coldness followed by rigor and then fever and sweating lasting 4 to 6 hours, occurring every 2 days in Plasmodium vivax and Plasmodium ovale infection, while every 3 days for Plasmodium malariae. Severe malaria is almost exclusively caused by Plasmodium falciparum infection. Splenomegaly, enlarged spleen, severe headache, cerebral ischemia, hepatomegaly, enlarged liver, hypoglycemia, and hemoglobinuria with renal failure may occur. Prevention. Malaria transmission can be reduced by preventing mosquito bite by mosquito net and insect repellent, or by mosquito control measures such as spraying insecticide and draining standing water where mosquito lays their eggs. The mosquito larvae can be controlled by release of Gumphusia fish.